it's Rachel with WTI, and this is the Ryobi 13-inch battery-powered lawnmower. This thing's amazing. Check it out.
We love that it's battery powered. This uses the 40-volt rechargeable Ryobi battery, and it's also super easy to start. All you need to do is push the button and then hold the handles up. You can see here it's also incredibly easy to push. My mom is in her later 60s, and that's why she wanted something small. She lives in a city. She doesn't have a huge lawn to cut. She can cut this with charging it once, so she doesn't have to stop. She can finish cutting her entire lawn with no problems, no interruption at all. She likes that it's nice and light, and it's very compact. If you don't have a lot of storage room, this is perfect. There's also a bag that's removable that comes with it, and it has the 2-in-1 mulching design. I think the main thing that my mom loves about it is it's good quality, but it's also light. It's easy to maneuver. It's not too big. Now, it's easy as well to switch and adjust the length of the grass cutting as well. If you're on the fence about getting this lawnmower, you should just get it. We're so glad. We have absolutely no regrets. My mom loves it.
If you're looking for a battery-powered lawnmower for a small lawn, this thing looks great. I love it, and that's my point of view.